both. So these two questions I'm going to solve you. This first question, this has been asked already in 2067. A means Eastern Development Region in SLC examination. And the second question, this was asked 2 times. This one is in 2074 in the model set, it was there, and in 2057 B means that is this is Central Development Region, that also it was asked. First of all, we'll do this one first question, see, and similar type of question already in my previous video already I have uploaded, and now this is another one. So let us learn this one, okay? And little bit different is there. Here is minus type, so I'm going to teach you. First of all, question number A, okay? The previous video was in the plus type, now this is minus type is there, okay? Now look at here, in this, we can just copy question first of all. 1 minus x to the power m minus n whole power minus 1. Look, everywhere minus is there, see. Sometimes this one is plus. Then 1 minus x to the power n minus m whole power again minus 1. So while simplifying the indices, always what you have to keep in mind that we have to change the negative power into positive always, okay? So if you change negative into positive, it will be very simple to you and it is very easy to simplify. So to change this negative power, see, suppose if you have got x to the power minus 1, suppose. Now how to remove this minus power? Look at it. This can be done like this. 1, this is in the numerator, this is divided by 1 is there, okay? And if you write this, if you take this whole entire term to the denominator, then this negative power will change into positive. This is the law of indices. In law of indices, it is mentioned there, x to the power 1 will be here. If there is minus 2, then it will be x to the power 2 like this. If you take to the denominator, it will be plus, okay? Minus will be plus, okay? Now here what we'll do, this is minus 1. First of all, we'll remove this outermost negative sign, see. Then only inner one will simplify. So here numerator will be 1 divided by, same as this one, see. 1 and then divided by, this is 1 minus x to the power m minus n. This power 1, if there is 1 only power, that means 1 by x only, okay? If there is 1 only power, 1 power, this is equals to 1 by x only. X to the power 1, no need to write. So here also power is 1, no need to write, you can leave like this only. Then plus now. Now 1 divided by, here this is 1 minus x to the power n minus m. Now again see, this also power, minus power, this also minus power. We have to change this also, okay? So if you have got like this, a to the power a minus b, so this means we can write like this, a to the power x to the power a minus b, then x to the power, we can write here a and then dot x to the power minus b. Look at it. In case of see, x to the power a, x to the power minus b. In case of indices, if you multiply two indices with same base, then base will be common, power will be added. So this can be written in this way. It means this also can be written in this way. So let us do here also same thing. So and now this one, see, this one again if you simplify, this is positive power, you can write here only x to the power a. This is negative, so to make it positive, we can take this to the denominator, x to the power b, we can write like this. Okay, we can do like this. Okay, so here also what we can do now, 1 divided by 1 minus, this x to the power m will remain here only. Then this is minus, so to change this minus into plus, we can take this to the denominator, so that is x to the power n we can write here, okay? So we can write x to the power n here. So, and in the second expression also we can do in the same way. 1 divided by 1 as it is minus, this is x to the power n, and then divided by, this is minus, so divided by, and then x to the power n will be, m will be in the denominator. Now we have to take LCM here and here, both of these two, okay? So 1 will be as it is, numerator, divided by, now here LCM, this 1 divided by 1, so LCM of this and this will be x to the power n. We have done in previous question also, same as this. And this will multiply here, x to the power n minus x to the power m will remain as it is. So plus in between them, again 1 divided by, here also we have to take LCM of this, and here 1 by 1 will be there. So LCM of this and this, 1 and x to the power m will be x to the power m. This we have discussed in previous question also. Now this will multiply here. So x to the power m minus this x to the power n is as it is. Now again see, already I have explained like this one time. See, suppose if you have got 3 by 4 in the numerator and your denominator is 2 by 6 is like this. Okay, suppose if you have got like this fraction, this is numerator, this is denominator. Sometimes numerator contain only 1 and the denominator will be 2 like this also. Then this can be written as 3 by 4 as it is. Then this denominator will be reciprocal here. 6 by 2 will be there. Okay, this can be written in this way. Okay, this fraction means it is like this. Okay, so this denominator will be reciprocal. If you change this whole double fraction into a single one, denominator will be reciprocal. So here also see, 1 is in the numerator and this is in the denominator. So what we can do here, 1 as it is we can write times, this will be reciprocal. So x to the power n divided by x to the power n minus x to the power n minus x to the power m. Look at it. Now plus as it is. Now this will be also, this 1 is in the numerator, so 1 as it is. Now this much is denominator, so this will be reciprocal. So x to the power m will be in the numerator divided by x to the power m minus x to the power n. Okay. Now look at it. Now if you see this denominator and this denominator, see, in previous question we have got a plus. What we have done, this we have transposed in the front side and then done. But here we cannot do so because it is minus here. 2 minus 3 is not equal to 3 minus 2. Okay, they are not equal. Here you will get minus 1 and here you will get plus 1. So they are not equal. Minus 1 and plus 1, they never equal. Okay, so what we have to do to change this one in the front and back, if there is 2 minus 3, if you want to change the 3 in the front side, 2 in the back side, then we have to take minus common, then it will be 3 minus 2 like this. Okay, so minus will become plus and plus will become minus. So here also we can do the same thing here. So if you divide like this, see, this we can write as it is, x to the power n minus x to the power m will write as it is. This also 1 times this one is same. Okay, x to the power n as it is. Now plus, and now x to the power m as it is. Now here what we'll do, we'll take minus common, then it will be x to the power n minus x to the power m. Look at here. So this minus will become plus and this plus will become minus. So that now our two denominators are same. See, x to the power n minus x to the power m, x to the power n minus x to the power m. They are same. So this minus, where will it go? This minus will multiply here. So this minus and plus will be multiplied. Here you will get minus. So now directly we can do, see, let us take LCM. LCM of this and this will be same now. X to the power n minus x to the power m will be our LCM. Now what we'll do this, x to the power n as it is, this minus times plus will be minus, and this x to the power m also as it is here, see. Okay, now we got, see, this and this we got same. Numerator and denominator we are getting same. So we can cut this one, this. Do not cancel all this, okay? Do not draw line, big line here. So that will be untidy. So we can do like this, which is equals to 1. This is our answer, okay? Now similarly, now I will start number B here. Question number B also. Let me copy question. Question number B is 14 power 6, 15 power 5, 35 power 6 and 6 power 5. Okay, this is the question. So 14 power 6, look at it. 14 to the power 6 times 15 to the power 5 divided by 35 to the power 6 times 6 to the power 5. Okay, this question also very important and it has been already asked two times. So now again it may ask. So let us learn this one. Now here also we have to simplify using the law of indices. Okay, so if you just type this one in calculator, you will get answer, no doubt. But here you will ask to solve using law of indices. So how to use law of indices? See here, none of the bases are same. So we have to convert all these 4 numbers in same base type. Okay, so for this what we will do, we will find the prime factors. See, 14 is here. Prime factors of 14 are 2, 7s are 14. So we can write this 14 as 2 times 7. Okay, so according to law of indices, if you have got x and y, and if you have got whole power 2, this means x also power 2, y also power 2, like this. So here also see, 14 means 7 times 2 whole power 6. So we can write here also power 6, here also power 6. Times, now 15 similarly. 15 means we have to find prime factors, 3 5s are 15. So 3 power 5 times 5 power 5, like this only, same as this one. Okay, similarly in the denominator we have got 35. 35 means this is 5 7s are 35. So we can write like this, 5 to the power 6 times 7 to the power 6 times here 6 to the power 5. 6 means like this, 6 means 2 3s are 6, always prime number only. Okay, 2 to the power 5 times 3 to the power 5. Okay, now what we can do, now we can reduce also like this, same like bases and same power also same, we can cut also. See, 3 to the power 5, 3 to the power 5, we can cancel this and this. See, okay, and now another 2 to the power 6 to the power 5, we can cancel. This is 6, this is 5, not same. Okay, 5 to the power 6, here is 5 to the power 5, we cannot cut. This one, see, 7 power 6, 7 power 6, we can cancel like this. This and this we can cancel. Okay, now to avoid negative power, what we can do, whichever is bigger will transpose there only. Here 2 power 6, but here 2 power 5. 6 is bigger, so we'll transpose this one in the numerator. So like this, 2 to the power 6, and then this one if you transfer to the numerator, it will be 2 to the power minus 5. Already we have learned this one. See, if you have got x square here, and if you take this to the denominator, it will be 1 by x minus 2. See, power will be negative. Or if you transfer from numerator to denominator, or denominator to numerator also. But if you have got x to the power minus 3 here, and if you transfer this to the denominator, it will be x to the power 3 here. Okay, but this, if you change here, it will be minus. If you change this one like this, it will be plus, like this. See, sign will change. So this one we are transposing, so sign is changed. Divided by, here 5 to the power 6 is there. Now if you transfer this to the denominator, 5 to the power minus 5 will be there. This can be written as 2 to the power 6 minus 5. So a to the power 2 plus b to the times a to the power minus 3. This means a to the power 2 minus 3, like this. Okay, power will be added like this. See, okay, so 2 plus minus 3, that means 2 minus 3. Okay, a to the power minus 1. So here also we can write, see, this and this will be subtracted, this and this will also be subtracted. 5 to the power, same base, 2 base common. Here also 5 and 5 same base, so 5 is common. So power will be 6 minus 5. So this means 2 to the power 1 divided by 5 to the power 1. This means 2 upon 5 is our answer. Okay, thank you for watching this video.